Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about MI Air 2 true wireless headsets, and I'm going to compare it to the MI Airdots, the original ones, and a little bit of glance with the AirPods 2 with wireless charger. So let's get started. So what happened recently is I got contacted by Banggood.com. You must have heard about Banggood.com a lot because a lot of YouTubers have got sponsored by them. So I got an email from Banggood.com and they wanted to send me MI Air 2. So what is this? So they want me to make a video on this. They wanted to see how I like this headset because the video which I made on MI Airdots got a lot of views and you guys liked it a lot. So 50,000 views for that one. So I was like, yeah, sure, send me one, and they actually sent me one. So here it is. This finally came in just in the mail, and it came straight from China to Australia. I'm in Australia right now. So you guys liked it a lot. So let's check out MI Air 2. So that was the unboxing for this headset. What is it? So this comes with a cable, a Type-C cable, which I really like because the last time I complained because you guys don't add Type-C. Like, I love Type-C because I have Type-C charger, so it's very convenient for me to charge. But with the other one, I had to go through micro USB and then Type-C, and it was a lot of problem for me. So I just switched to AirPods instead of, because I just bought an iPhone, so I switched to AirPods. But then I got MI Air 2, which comes with which is very similar to AirPods. So I'm gonna see how it compares with the audio quality, because of course it won't be the best, like it won't be like AirPods. But if you don't want to invest so much money, $300 for this one, and you can save a lot of money if you go for MI Air 2, and it's very easy and fast, because if you get it, where would you buy it from? Because there's no website, right? So you can buy it from various websites, but the website I recommend is Banggood.com. Why? Because Banggood.com is they sent me this product, and if you buy it from them, I get a small kickback. Plus, it's not because I'm getting a kickback. No, I only recommend products which I really like. So I like this website, and a lot of YouTubers have been liking this and loving this website, and it's very popular in the YouTube community. So these people ship to Australia very fast. Like, they have a very fast shipping method. Of course, you can pay more to get it shipped faster, but I got it in 2 weeks, you know. So 2 weeks was really fast, because if I buy something from Amazon, of course it's not available on Amazon, and even it is, it will be very expensive for you. But if you get it straight from Banggood.com, I think they have facilities, because see, I got it. The packaging which says it came from New South Wales. It's not from China. So even though it says, even though it's technically from China, but I mean it's manufactured in China, but I think they have the stock in Australia. And they sent me very fast in just 1 week, so they were able to do it. So if you want to try it, give it a try, and there is a link down in the description. Go to the link, open the link, and go to the website, order one for yourself if you like it. Of course, we want to talk about if it's really worth it or not, because there are some Chinese headsets which you can buy from Amazon for about $50 to $60, and I have tried them. They're not the best. They're just not on the same mark. So I've used MI Airdots before and I really liked it. It was just $30 back in India, and if you want you can get that one as well. But this one is a lot more comfortable. It doesn't fall off from your ears. This one is a lot like, it has more volume and it has the higher tone. It's not very bass heavy. If you are somebody who enjoys a lot of bass frequencies, then definitely it's not for you. And the same was the case with AirPods as well, that comes from Apple. So this is not very bass heavy ones. And I don't think you should use very bass heavy ones, because these headphones will have problems. Because if you really listen to a lot of bass, first of all, it will damage your ears. And the second thing is, you should not consider traveling wearing these headsets, because it will impact your hearing ability and it will endanger your senses. So it will lower your senses. So you should not be wearing a lot of bass heavy headsets for a prolonged time. So this one's, not this one, so I'm going to show you that one, is a lot better, right? So without wasting any more time, let's check out the, okay, here we go. Okay, so with comparison, I've got which one is which. See, okay, they both look very similar. Of course, it's not the most similar. There are other ones which look more similar, of course. But see, this one is very similar to AirPods in size, and this has got really similar looking style as well. So you can see this is good, and it fits really well in ears. I don't know, for my ears I really like it. And the AirPods one, they keep falling out, but this one, and it doesn't even pair me. Of course, the quality on that one is a lot higher, of course, but you can see it's not falling off, right? See, this is one, and you can wear it. There is one tap control function on this one. If you tap it, it will open your Google Assistant or Siri if you're using an iPhone. I was using it with an iPhone, so it connects automatically with an iPhone and with any Android device, so it works flawless. Okay, so now coming to this case. Okay, so the case supports a Type-C connector over here, a Type-C connector, which will help you in a lot of ways, because you will, if you have another phone which has a Type-C connector, you will have Type-C cables around. If you are using an iPhone, maybe not the best for you. You can consider it, of course. It has got a small Type-C cable, and if you want a bigger one, you can buy it for $5 from eBay if you want to do that. But this one has got a really nice case. It has got a battery. It does support an LED light, which indicates whenever it is charging. So it's a very good feature. And overall, I think I'm really liking this one. And I'm gonna do another video. I will compare this true wireless headphones with the original AirPods. So I'm gonna use this one against this and see how they stack up, because that one is very expensive. That one was around $300, which is a lot of money. If you want to save money, then these are for you. And I've got another one. I've got Airdots as well, which I was using for a long time, and I think it's been 6 months now. It's been more than that. It's been 8 or almost a year since I got that one. So this has been my video, and if you're interested in the video, please do check out the description. And if you like the content, please go ahead and buy MI A2 if you want, and you can buy it from there. There is a link. And full disclosure, if you buy it from there, I get a small commission. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like this one. And thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.